Hello, welcome back to Rotor and Pixel. In today's video, we're diving into Part 107, Advanced Regulations and Night Operations. You'll have 35 questions and 8 seconds to choose the correct answer. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Rotor and Pixel so you never miss any quizzes. Ready? Let's get started. Night for Part 107 operations is defined as Answer B. The time between the end of evening civil twilight and the beginning of morning civil twilight. To fly at night under Part 107, you must have Answer A. An anti-collision lighting visible for at least 3 SM in recent night subject training. During civil twilight, not full night, Part 107 requires Answer B. Anti-collision lighting. You may dim or turn off anti-collision lights at night if Answer B. It's necessary for safety, e.g. to prevent pilot or other aircraft impairment. A VO is required at night when Answer B. Not required by rule, but recommended if the PIC cannot maintain VLOS unaided. Night visual physiology means you should allow about Answer A. 30 minutes for dark adaptation. The common night visual illusion where a stationary light appears to move is Answer B. Autokinesis. Part 107 operations over people are governed by Answer B. Categories 1 to 4, final rule. Category 1 operations over people allow flight if the aircraft Answer A. Weighs 0.55 pounds or less and has no exposed rotating parts. Categories 2 and 3 require Answer B. Manufacturer/DOC compliance with injury threshold limits. Operations over moving vehicles are permitted when Answer A. Transient or restricted site overflight allowed. Remote ID is required for most operations unless Answer B. Flying in a FAR IA or using an ID module. Remote ID broadcasts include Answer B. UARS identity, position, altitude, velocity, and control station location. Operations from a moving land vehicle are allowed if Answer B. In a sparsely populated area and not carrying property for hire. Maximum ground speed under Part 107 is Answer B, 87 knots, 100 miles per hour. Maximum altitude without a structure is Answer B, 400 feet AGL. Near a structure, you may fly. Answer B, within 400 feet laterally and up to 400 feet above. Minimum visibility and cloud clearance, day or night, are Answer B, 3SM 500 feet below and 2,000 feet horizontally. Yield right-of-way rules at night are Answer B, identical, yield to all crewed aircraft. Recurrent currency for remote pick requires Answer B, FAA online recurrent training every 24 months. Accident reporting to FAA within 10 days is required when Answer B, serious injury or damage greater than or equal to $500. Anti-collision lights must be Answer B, any color visible for 3 seconds with sufficient flash rate. At night, crew comms should emphasize Answer B, brief, closed-loop callouts. Flying BVLOS at night is allowed if Answer B, FAA BVLOS waiver. Flying in controlled airspace at night. Answer B, requires ATC authorization. A DSB out for UAS. Answer B, generally prohibited unless authorized. Alcohol and drugs under Section 107.27 mean Answer B, 8 hours bottle to throttle, 0.04% BAC limit. Carriage of property for compensation/hire under Part 107. Answer B, allowed with limits, not from moving vehicles, VLOS. People on site count as participants when Answer B, they're directly involved or control their presence. Night pre-flight should add which item beyond daytime? Answer B, check anti-collision lights, spare strobes, crew flashlights. If your strobe fails in flight at night, you should. Answer B, land ASAP, restore required lighting. Operating near people at night under Cat 3 requires Answer B, compliance with Cat 3 limits. Lost link at night should default to Answer A, safe pre-briefed RTH/hover/LAN profile. To fly at night near a public event. Answer A, must comply with ops over people rules. Who is ultimately responsible for safe night operations? Answer C, the remote PIC. How many questions did you get right? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quiz from Rotor and Pixel. Until next time, fly safe and keep learning.